In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up your custom tracking domain in Lemlist. First, log into your Lemlist account by visiting Lemlist. Once you're inside the dashboard, click on your profile icon and go to Settings. Next, open Sending Settings, then go to the Email section and select the email account you want to configure. Now scroll down until you find the Custom Tracking Domain section. Lemlist will automatically generate DNS details for you, including a subdomain name like Trail, Route, or Lemtrail. After that, open your domain provider dashboard. This could be providers like GoDaddy, Namecheap, or Cloudflare. Go to your DNS settings and create a new name record. For the host or name field, enter the subdomain provided by Lemlist. For the value or points to field, enter custom.lemlist.com. Next, return to Lemlist and click Check Setup. Keep in mind that DNS propagation can take anywhere from a few minutes up to 72 hours. Once everything is verified, your custom tracking domain will be active and ready to use. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.